That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Short story short, we're here in Luna, La Union. And bago kayo makarating dito sa San Juan Beach, galing muna kami sa Baluarte. Picture doon and all that. It's gonna be a long way from Baluarte to San Juan. Like, approximately an hour.
Hi baby, is that a sand?
Ito kami nagta-travel. Akala ko normal lang lahat. Then, eventually, this happened. Ayaw niya nakikita ang tulog si mommy niya. Gusto niya awake lang. And yeah, our baby seems confused because he just woke up. And medyo mataray, medyo maldito siya that time. Pero, it was a fun day. So yeah.